then, so to the final 9 into the semi-finals next week. Well done to you all. It's going to be really, really tough as one person from each category will be leaving us next week. 100% guys, it's going to be so hard because it's such a strong standard. But there will be 3 people in total leaving next week, and then we will be deciding on the 6 that will be making it through to the live finals. So what we've decided to do for the semi-finals, guys, is we wanted to do 2 songs again each, but the one song will be our song of the series, which we believe is probably the standout one that we've seen you do this season. And the second choice then will be a choice of 2 songs decided by each mentor. So we are going to go through these now, guys, and we're going to start off with my category. So KD, the song of the series that we've decided for you to re-perform next week is Driver's License. All right? And you got a choice between Praying by Kesha or When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. So you need to listen to the songs and pick whatever one you feel more comfortable with, all right? So moving on to Rachel. Rachel, the song of the series we selected for you is Kylie Minogue's Can't Get You Out of My Head, okay? So that's your song of the series. And then joining that, you'll be singing a choice of either 99 Red Balloons or Already Gone, all right? So I'll give you a message. I'll let you know what, we'll go through the songs and see what's best for you. And on to Lacey. The song of the series we selected for you is Warrior by Demi Lovato. So we'd like to see you singing that one again. And then you've got a choice between Defying Gravity or I Am Changing. Alright, so that will be what you'll be singing this week then. And then we're going to move on to Louise's category.
So first up in my category, Dan, your song of the series is Tennessee Whiskey, and your second song will be a choice between A Little Bit of Love by Tom Grennan or Hurricane by Luke Combs, so have a look at those. Molly, your song of the series is Born to Try, and your choice of second song is Gravity by Sarah Bareilles or Faith by Sleeping at Last. And finally Zoe, your song of the series is What's Up, and your choice of second song is 1+1 by Beyonce or Before I Go by Guy Sebastian.
Kelly?
Okay, so first up we got Zach. We decided that your song of the series was going to be Blackbird, and then you've got a choice. You can either choose between Gethsemane from Jesus Christ Superstar or Paranoid by Black Sabbath. Then Charlotte, we've decided that your song of the series is I Want to Know What Love Is. And we want you to choose from We Won't Move by Alyssa and I Miss Her by Jessie J. So have a look at both of those songs and see which one you feel best with. And then Sienna, your song of the series was Man's World. And we've given you a choice between Closest Thing to Crazy by Katie Melula and Dream a Little Dream of Me by Doris Day. So again, just have a little play and see which ones you feel more comfortable with.
So guys, that wraps it up for the quarterfinals. We will see you all in the semi-finals. Don't forget, this is your last chance, guys, to get into that final. And it's going to be really, really tough. But we're proud of you all. Well done on the quarterfinals. Well done, guys. We see you at the semis.